Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the honor phone is unlocked and updated so network options behave predictably. Once done, connect to the exact Wi-Fi you will change. You cannot edit a network you aren't joined to. Next, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, then long press the network name and pick Modify or Edit Network. This gives you access to IP settings and DNS fields. Make sure you have the DNS addresses ready. Common choices are 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8. Now you'll focus on the actual DNS fields. Tap Advanced or IP Settings to reveal options. If the phone shows DHCP by default, you can usually enter custom DNS without switching to static. However, some Honor models require setting IP settings to static. Keep the same IP values if you do that. Enter your preferred DNS1 and DNS2 addresses, for example 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8, then save the network. This directs name lookups to the new resolvers immediately after reconnecting. After saving, reconnect to the network so the settings take effect. You should test by loading a few websites or using a DNS test app to confirm the new resolver answers queries. If pages still use the old DNS, try toggling airplane mode, rebooting the phone, or forgetting and rejoining the Wi-Fi. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS changes don't apply, reset network settings in Settings System Reset. That clears stale configurations and often resolves stubborn DNS problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.